ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांशहस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। अथ गीताध्यानम्। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम्। अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणी भगवती अष्टादशाध्यायिनी अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनि कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम्। लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् पंकजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुल्लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः। ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः। देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Bhagavad Gita session, where we are learning a little bit of Sanskrit and little bit of Gita. We have reached 7th chapter. We finished first 22 verses, and hopefully with his krupa, we shall Buddha Sankalpa and try to complete this chapter tonight itself. Without wasting our time, let's get into the 23rd verse. Arunji, you will be chanting. So, just give me a minute. Some audio setting pop-up has come. I'm audible, right?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Let us start. Antavatu phalanteşam
Antvattu phalantesham
tadbhavatyalpamedhasam
tadbhavatyalpamedhasam
devan devayajo yanti
devan devayajo yanti
madbhakta yanti mamapi.
madbhakta yanti mamapi. Antvattu phalantesham tadbhavatyalpamedhasam devan
Bhavatyalpa.
tadbhavatyalpamedhasam
So verb will have a pressure. Tadbhavatyalpa.
tadbhavatyalpamedhasam
Correct.
devan devayajo yanti madbhakta yanti mamapi.
Good. Yes. So let's do the Padacheda first. You can start.
Okay, ma'am. So 723, we have got the only one I could find was tadbhavatyalpamedhasam. That's the only sandhi I could see here.
Yes,
And
correct.
that is tat plus bhavati, which is jastu, plus alpamedhasam, which is yan sandhi.
Bhavati
Right?
plus alpa, that is yan.
Yeah, that's correct.
Bhavati
So
plus
this is the
alpa.
only
Yeah.
one I saw.
Correct.
Okay.
Perfect. Now Padartha. So Padartha, Antavat. Antavat means that which is having an end. So end means which is finite, not infinite, not bhuma. So finite, phalam tesham. Tesham means of them. Shashti.
Of them. Okay.
Shashti. Shashti bahuvachan of that shabda?
Yes. Today I'm ready with the vibhaktis. So I
Oh,
can
wow.
try to answer you. Not sure,
Yes.
but we'll try.
So, okay. So tat shabda pullinga.
Yes. So what we have here, tat, which is ekvachan, dvitiya, napunsik link or tad. Word is tad. For tat.
No.
Right?
So yes, yeah. So Shashti, what is the Shashti vibhakti of tat shabdam pullinga?
Shasti is
Shastya.
tesham.
Shastya tesham.
Tesham. Yes.
Tesham.
Tesham
So that
bahuvachan
tesham
shasti
is
pulling.
over here. Antavat to
But this is
phalam.
pulling shabd, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Okay. No. This is napunsaka because phalam. Phalam it
Okay,
is.
this
So
also is
napunsaka. Yeah.
Okay.
So of that, the phala is finite. Of what phala is finite? For those that bhavati alpa medhasa, smaller intelligence, alpa less, medhasa intelligence, who is having smaller intelligence. Why it is being said that those who are having smaller intelligence, the phala of there is lesser, or it is going to be finite. We'll go to the next line and then we will see the whole verse. Devan. Devan is what vibhakti?
Bahuvachan dvitiya pulling dev.
Correct. So it means to the gods. To the gods. Huh? Deva yajaha. Deva yajaha means the one who is worshipping. Doing the yajnakarta is a yajaha. Deva yaja means those who are worshipping the gods. Huh? So those who are worshipping the gods, Devanyanti, they go to the gods. Mad Bhakta means my devotees. Those who are worshipping me, Mam Yanti, they come to me. means what? What are you seeking through your actions? You are going to get that. I am going to spend 7 crore rupees and get my Rolls-Royce Phantom car. Nobody is having it. Only prestigious people. I can boast, and I can also boast my 7 crores I'm having. I am that rich person. Good. You have 7 crores or you don't have anything. What difference it will make? Because eventually that is going to be finite only. After spending 7 crores, is my Phantom Rolls Royce going to be infinite? It is an ashwar only. It will have an end. It will have some problem. It will fail. It is going to end up. So it doesn't mean that you have more money. Okay, you can buy richer things, but it is not meaning that you can buy infinite with that. With a finite object, finite thing, what you purchase is going to also be finite only. Spending so much is not meaning that it is going to be infinite. So, alpamedhasa, those who think I am doing this, if you are doing everything in Jagat, all that you are doing, saying, eating, wearing, whatever is the action, it is going to give only finite result only. Maybe I am little better than somebody. I'm not putting my 7 crores on a Phantom, but I'm doing different yagas, yajnas for the please rain god, for pleasing Lakshmi Mata, for pleasing that god, this god, every god. Okay, fine. What did I accrue? I did accrue good things, good merits I accrued. I did accrue a lot of punya. Okay, maybe I have established my place in Swarga also. Everything I did good. And I reached and I got riches also, and I got whatever I needed through appealing to those devas. But is that what all it is? No. When the punya is going to finish, the merit, my stock of merit, from Swarga I'll be brought back down only. So I will reach the devas as long as that phala of that action is there. But if I am not doing any of that and I'm just interested in pleasing Lord and holding Lord firmly, then I'll get Lord. You go for an infinite action to get an infinite phala, is what you are seeking, you will get that. Basically, the verse is saying that. And we think we are brilliant, but brilliancy is only in the Nashwar Jagat. It is not solving our purpose of human life. So, devayajaha devan yanti. Mad bhaktaha mam yanti. Now it is when Bhagwan is saying that, we should now bet on which horse? That horse which is leading us to Bhagwan. You get Bhagwan, you get everything. What we have to know, we know everything. Like Bhagwan had asked to Arjuna and Duryodhan at the same time, probably Duryodhan first. You want me or all my sainyas? Duryodhan said, what stupid Arjun? I will be taking. And God minus who is not going to fight. Not only you will
Yes.
not, just God who is not going to fight you want, or you want all my sainyas, all my things and weaponaries and everything. See? Who is wanting what is getting that. Duryodhana wanted that, okay, he got. Arjuna wanted Bhagwan alone, Arjuna got. So, madbhaktaha mam yanti. What devas want? Devayaja, they will get devas. And that bhavati alpa medhasam antavat phalam tesha. Bhagwan is saying that is a finite result only they will get. Apart from Bhagwan, everything else in the world is finite. Only he, the Supreme, is infinite. Brahman. Paramatman. That self, Paramatman, Bhagwan, Krishna, Paramatma, whoever call is me. That we are not yet gone into the Advaita. We are still in that Dvaita level also. In that also it is infinite. So what we have to choose very brilliant. Okay. Antavatu phalam tesham tadbhavatyalpameधसाम् devan devayajo yanti madbhakta yanti mamapi.
Dr.
Sumita.
Varsha ji,
जी जी.
just for the purpose of show of bhaktaha, is that word is bhakt?
Yes.
It's a bahuvachan prathama pulling.
Yes, correct.
Sorry, I just wanted to show off.
Excellent. Devaha, devaha, bhaktaha. Devau, bhaktau. Devaha, bhaktaha. Not show up. That's good. Amazing. Excellent. Very good. I'm trying to. Okay. Sumita ji. Number 24. Avyaktam vyaktimapannam.
Avyaktam vyaktimapannam.
So it won't be plain avyaktam. Avyaktam, a will have a dvitva pressure.
Okay. Avyaktam avyaktam vyaktimapannam.
Manyante mama buddhayaha.
Manyante mam buddhayaha.
Param bhavamajanantaha.
Param bhavamajanantaha.
Not parama. Not parama. Ma is not full. Ma is in the anuswara. So param.
Param bhavamajananto.
What did I say?
Param.
Param bhavamajanantaha. We have to open the sandhi.
Param bhavamajanantaha.
Correct. Mama vyayamanutamam.
Mamapya
Mama vyaya.
mamapyayamanutamam.
Correct.
Apyaktam vyaktimapannam manyate mam buddhayah param bhavamajanantaha mamabhyayamanutamam.
Vyaya no.
Practice it.
Mama vyayama.
Mamapyayamanutamam.
No. Not vyaya. Only two. Mama vyaya.
Okay. Mamapyayamanutamam.
You're saying when
Vaya,
you are saying. Mama vyayam.
Mamapyayamanutamam.
Correct. Yes. So let's do the padacheda. Avyaktam as it is. Vyaktim as it is. Apannam as it is. Manyante as it is. Mam as it is. Abuddhayaha as it is. First line, no sandhi. Param bhavam ajanantaha mama avyayam anuttamam. No sandhis anywhere. Only the swaras have gone and joined. Mama avyayam anuttamam. Okay, so we can say mama and avyaya, probably we can say savarna dirgha mama avyaya. If you want, we can say mama avyaya. We can say it has become dirgha. Yeah, savarna dirgha we can say over there. Avyaktam. Avyaktam means what? Which is not vyakt, which is not visible, which is not manifested. Vyaktim. Vyakti means which has come to manifestation. Apannam, which has come to manifestation. Manyante, people think, Mom, that I was unmanifested, now I have come to manifestation. Like this, people think of me. Which kind of people? Abuddhayaha. Those who don't have much buddhi. Foolish people. Stupid. Param. Param means what? The highest nature. Bhavam. The nature. Ajanantaha. Ajanantaha because they are not knowing my highest form. Mama. My. Avyaya, which is immutable. Anuttamam, most excel. They, without knowing my immutable and highest nature, they think like that. So this verse probably tells us what is God actually. It's not just something form. It is something beyond our perception. People are thinking, oh, God is not there and now God has come. It's not like that now it has come into expression. It is always there. It is changeless. It is like that cinema screen. Tens and thousands of movies will come and go. There will be fighting, there will be dancing, there will be water, fire, storm, everything, drought. Screen is changeless. Nobody sees the screen. Everybody sees the movie. But because of the screen, the movie is visible. Without the screen, a movie cannot be seen. So that screen. 10 movies have come, matinee show, last show, this show, morning show. Movies have changed. Screen has not changed. Screen didn't come to light after the movie started. Screen was always there and will always remain whether the movie is there or whether the movie is not there. So it is not that once it was not there and now because the movie started, it has come into the manifestation. Are we getting this? So Lord is changeless. It is not coming and going. On it, everything is happening, but it is the unchanging screen. But foolish thing, it is coming and going. It is not coming and. Avyaktam vyaktimapannam manyante mama buddhayaha param bhavamajanantaha mama vyayamanutamam. That's why people fail to reach the self. They are not seeing what they are wanting to say. That they are lacking that discrimination between Sat and Asat. They're lacking that capacity to see that fine truth, which is actually shining, always present. Because we are caught up in dualities, plurality, we are not understanding the substratum. That's why we are being called as Abuddhayaha. But one that is empowering. It is something like, we say, oh, I don't see the sun. Sun is hidden by the clouds. The clouds have covered the sun. We say that, right? The clouds have covered the sun. We don't see the sun. How big is the cloud? How big is the sun?
Infinite.
Cloud is a limited thing, this much, seen from our Earth.
Right.
If you are flying taking a long distance flight and all, and if the plane has to go on a higher height, we can just see the clouds beneath us.
Yes.
Can this little cloud cover that whole sun which is so millions of whatever years, light years away from us? That massive fireball, can this little cloud cover it? But we say that. What we are not seeing and we are saying the cloud is covering the sun. But we are seeing that, right? In whose light are we seeing? In the
Sun.
sun's light only, we are saying that the cloud is covering the sun. Whose light I'm perceiving the world? It is Bhagwan's light I'm perceiving the world. On that I am saying Bhagwan is coming and going, manifest हुआ है नहीं हुआ है ये है वो है. The power of my thinking, the power of my speech, the power of what I see, the power of what I act is Bhagwan. There is no question Bhagwan is there or not. If I am functional means that is that Shakti which is functioning. Bhagwan Shakti is functioning through me. What more proof we need? So it is the sun who is showing the cloud, and we are saying the cloud is hiding the sun. But in the light of the sun only the cloud is seen. Okay. So very beautiful verse this is. It says, what is the God? Avyaktam vyaktimapannam manyante mama buddhayaha param bhavamajanantaha mamavyayamanutamam. Arunji, 25th. Naham prakasha sarvasya.
Naham prakash sarvasya.
Yogamaya samavritaha.
Yogamaya samavritaha.
Mudho yannabhijanati.
Mudho yannabhijanati.
Loko mamajamavyayam.
Loko mamajamavyayam. Naham prakash sarvasya. Yogamaya samavritaha. Mudho yannabhijanati. Loko mamajamavyayam.
Let's see the sandhis. Naham.
Na plus aham, swarandirgha.
Savarnadirgha. Prakashaha. Sarvasya. Sarvasya what vibhakti?
Sarvasya vibhakti is 20. No, I didn't go to that.
Okay, devasya.
Oh, so Sarv Dev, right? So,
So,
same word.
No,
No,
I'm saying,
but it's
I'm saying vibhakti similarity. I said
yeah.
sarvasya, now I'm giving the other parallel word devasya. So what vibhakti is devasya?
Devs.
Shakti Prathama.
Shashti.
Sorry, I
Shashti.
didn't know
So
that.
means apostrophe S. Everybody's sarvasya. Everybody's. That apostrophe S. Sab logon ka. Where sambandha is there. A relationship is there.
Okay. I didn't realize it's a noun, so it should have vibhakti. I somehow missed that. Sorry.
No,
Okay.
everything will have vibhakti except that kriyapad. Everything. We have only nama and kriyapada.
Right.
Everything will have vibhakti.
Oh, okay. So you mean adjective would also have a vibhakti?
Yes, yes.
Oh,
It will take the shape of the noun.
It will take.
For example,
okay.
Balika. Balika is beautiful. So,
Okay.
beautiful girl. Beautiful is the
Okay.
adjective.
Right.
Sundari Balika.
Right.
Balak. Boy.
Yeah. Sundar
Boy is
Balak.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Sundaraha Balakaha.
But Balak means boy, not Sundar means beautiful, right?
Sundar means, that's what I'm saying. So, Sundaraha Balakaha. Sundari Balikaha. Mitram. Mitram.
Right. Friend.
Sundaram.
Mitram.
So, adjective will take shape of what
Shape
noun
of
you are describing.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Now, I have to say, the beautiful boy's name is Ram. Let us say.
Right. Right.
Sundarasya
So,
balakasya na. Sundarasya balakasya nama Ram. So, it will take balakasya nam, boy's name.
जी
Got it? So it
जी
will
जी
take,
thank you.
everything will get the vibhakti. Everything will get vibhakti. Okay. Naham prakash. So sorry, we are doing still the sandhi cheda. Pada cheda. Yoga maya samavritaha will keep the whole word as it is samasa. Moodhoyam. What happens there?
Moodhoyam. I'm sorry, my file has closed. I'll just
Doesn't
open it.
matter. Doesn't matter.
I'll just open it quickly.
Yes, yes.
Sandhi exercises.
What happens, Sumita ji? Moodhoyam. This is the most simplest sandhi, right? When we see the word, we should say.
Plus I am. No, no.
Moodhoyam.
Moodha
Moodha
plus
plus
I
I
am.
am.
Correct. Moodaha plus ayam.
Plus I am.
What
Ayam.
sandhi?
So this is Visarga, ma'am. Visarga
And
Puravrut.
Purvaru.
Visarga
Avagraha has come.
Yes.
Na bhi janati. What happens there?
So this is na plus abhijanati swaran
Yeah.
dirgha.
Savarna dirgha. Then loko. What happens there?
So this is Visarga lok. Lokaha.
Visarga lop no.
Okay.
Oh, that okara has happened, right?
Okay. So it will be just loka.
Lokaha.
Lokaha. Okay.
Then
Lokaha.
mam as it is, ajam as it is, avyayam as it is. Okay. So what is it? Na aham prakashaha sarvasya. I am not visible to all. Why? Yoga maya samavritaha. Because of the maya's wheeling property, I am not understood by everybody. Moodhaha ayam. This who is deluded like this, na abhijanati, does not know. Because of the maya, does not know this what? This world does not know. Lokaha na abhijanati. Mudaha lokaha ayam. This deluded world does not know. Who? Me, mam. Asmat shabda. Mam, ma. Avam no. Dvitiya, ekvachan. Does not know me. That as what? Ajam, that I am unborn. Avyayam, I am imperishable. They don't know. Because it is covered with gunas, because it is under the influence of Maya, people don't know my actual nature. It has been hidden. My actual nature is hidden from people because of the influence of Maya. My nature is ajam, avyayam, but this nature is not known. So people do not know me because of the gunas effect. And as we cleanse ourselves, we will. Means what? अगर पानी में मिट्टी है तो रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं आएगा. It is not that sun will not reflect here and sun will reflect over there. Sun is reflecting everywhere. How is our instrument? You have clean water, it will reflect in your bucket. You don't have clean water, it will not. It is not to do with the sun. Sun is ready to reflect. Instrument की खराबी है. Bhagwan is there to show himself. He is not hiding only. But my mind is having मिट्टी. सारी गंदगी मेरे मन में भरी पड़ी है. If I clean my mind, reflection is already there. It was already the nature. Bhagwan is not hiding. किसकी मिट्टी कितनी खराब? Depends upon किसका वासना कितना खराब, कितना ज्यादा, कितने गहरे वासना. मुझे ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, ये चाहिए. निरंतर कुछ ना कुछ चाहते रहना है. ये चाहने के बाद वो चाहने के बाद ये. कभी नहीं. Somebody is very active, somebody is very tired. So it depends upon. And I'm not the same person who I was in the morning. By the end of the day, I'm a different person. I don't have always my mental clarity. Sometimes it is all covered. Instrument की खराबी है. It's not that Bhagwan's favorite, this one to hum isko dikhayega aur isko nahi dikhayega. Everybody has got equal chances to work and clean their instrument. There is no partiality for Bhagwan. We have ordered to which parents we need to be born, which house, which place, which we have ordered it. We've been served what we have ordered. Our actions are the ones who will order the karma phala. That's why, this cleansing of that action and offering it to the Lord at every step gets so very. Arunji, you were wanting to say something.
Yes, ma'am. I just wanted to ask this. Is this a Bahuvachan of idam?
That exercise you have done and come just open last week you have done. Ayam Shabda, this singular. It's not Bahuvachan.
Okay.
You did
So
last week.
yes.
Pullinga.
Yeah.
Iyam is the Strilinga.
Right. I have that, but where I got confused was I thought we say these people, Mudha.
Ayam lokaha mudaha. Ayam this lokaha
Okay.
pullinga. Ayam
Okay.
lokaha mudhaha.
Mudha. Okay.
Mudhaha is the adjective for lokaha.
Okay.
And ayam is this lokaha.
So ayam is ekvachan because loka is one.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
So this is ekvachan pratham napunsik
Yes.
link idam.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Naham prakasha sarvasya yogamaya samavritaha mudho yannabhijanati loko mamajam avyayam. Next verse, number 26, Sumita ji. Vedaham samatitani.
वेदाहं समतीतानि
Vartamanani charjuna.
वर्तमानानि चार्जुन
Havishyani cha bhutani.
भविष्याणि च भूतानि
Mantu vedana kaschana.
मां तु वेद न कश्चन वेदाहं समतीतानि वर्तमानानि चार्जुन भविष्याणि च भूतानि मां तु वेद न कश्चन.
Very good. Padached. Vedaham.
Ved plus aham swaram dirgha.
Correct. Veda plus aham. Aham Veda. Samatitani as it is. Vartamanani as it is. Cha Arjuna. What happens there? What Sandhi?
Same. Swaram dirgha cha plus
Savarna
Arjuna.
Dirgha. Charjuna. Cha plus Arjuna. I answered it before. Okay. Bhavishyani cha bhutani mam tu veda na kaschana. Okay. Aham samatitani vartamanani bhavishyani bhutani veda. I know what? Samatitani. Atita, past. Vartamanani, present. Bhavishyani, future. Bhutani, all the beings. I know who all have born, who all are living now, and who are going to come. Arjuna, oh Arjuna, aham veda samatitani vartamanani bhavishyani. Clear? Of whose? It is of Bhutani. That's why all vibhaktis came same to that Bhutani. The Bhutas of the beings who are in Atita, who are in present, and who are in Bhavishya. So it was for the Bhutam that Bahuvachan has come, and hence whatever is describing them is getting the same vibhakti. So I know everything of everybody who's there, but Mom, to me, Kaschana na Veda, nobody knows me. Everything I know, but nobody knows. Something similar verse we did in the past chapters. Does anybody recollect anything? Something of a similar, I know everybody.
It was in chapter 4, madam, second,
Correct.
second, probably second, third slok, where he
Yes.
says that I know all the previous birth, and
Yes.
I gave this update first to sun god and all that, right,
Yes.
ma'am? Is that what you were
Bahuni,
looking for?
yes, correct. Bahuni me vyatitani janmani tava charjuna tanyaham veda sarvani
Okay.
natvam vetha parantapa.
Parantapa.
I know all the things, but you are not free. You are not aware of it. Just give me a minute. So Bhagwan says that nobody is knowing me, but I'm knowing everything of everybody. We complete the verse? Yeah, we completed this verse.
One question, ma'am.
Ji.
Is this so? When you say no one, that's no question. So na means no, question
one.
means
Na kaschana, no one. Kaschana
no
means somebody.
one. Someone.
One.
Okay. Thank you.
वेदाहं समतीतानि वर्तमानानि चार्जुन भविष्याणि च भूतानि मां तु वेद न कश्चन. Arunji, 27th. इच्छा द्वेष समुत्थेन
इच्छा द्वेष समुत्थेन
द्वन्द्व मोहेन भारत
द्वन्द्वमोहेन भारत
सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहम्
सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहम्
सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप.
सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप. इच्छा द्वेष समुत्थेन द्वन्द्वमोहेन भारत सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहम् सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप.
Correct. Let us see the Padacheda. Ichha dvesha samuthena, we have to take it as one word. It's a samas. Dvandva mohena tritiya. Bharata, it's a sambodhan. Sarva bhutani sammoham sarge yanti parantapa. All, there is no something.
No,
okay. Ichha dvesha samutha. Samutha is to arise. The things that have arisen from Ichha and Dvesha, like and dislike. Son likes Bengan ka bharta, daughter hates Bengan. Now what to do? The mother has to cook how many things? Ichha Dvesha. You just, Bengan on its own is okay, yeah, but somebody is liking it, somebody is not liking it. Somebody is liking bhindi very much. If you start preparing bhindi every day, husband will ask you, don't buy anything else or what? I'm giving you all money every month. Where are all the other vegetables? Now whom to please? Ichha Dvesha. One gets really trapped into this Ichha Dvesha. One doesn't see the thing as a thing because of its association of the mind to that person, to the object, to the experience. On its own, mango is not anything problem. But I like mango because it is sweet. I don't like mango because I am diabetic. On its own, mango has nothing, but it's my association. I don't like this person because this person, this. And other person, I like this person, this has done wonders. The same boss at home might be a terror, and in office might be one something calm, or vice versa. In office might be terror, but when he comes home in front of his wife, he's calm. God knows, whatever, vice versa. Situations. It's not the same. Ichhadvesha, our own vasanas lead that. And because of that, what happens? Dvandva mohena. Why the dvandvas? Oh, why the AC is so high? Reduce the AC. Oh, it's so hot. Why there is no AC? Hot, cold, we are not saying. Oh, when I came, that person didn't stand, didn't give respect. He has insulted me. Who wants man will think of man as everything, every step has been. But who is not bothered about it, the same action is not affecting that person. That he has if you have that pride in you, then only you will feel insulted. But for one person who pride and insult, if both is same, what you do is not mattering. He is just bothered about his work. He'll come and go and do his work and go quietly. He's not bothered about what paraphernalias you are showing to him. माला लाई, ये लाया, वो लाया, उठे नहीं उठे, कि चाय दी, कॉफी दी, आगे पीछे यस सर नो सर करके घूमे. Who cares, yeah? But because of this dvandva, what has happened, oh Bharata, sarvabhutani sammoham sargeyanti. All bhutas are been therefore, they are deluded. When? Sarge. Sarga means at the start, at the birth itself. I have ordered that and I have come. That's why no, in this current life, if we don't cleanse our mind, we'll carry the same mind in the next birth. Somewhere we will have to progress with our mind. We'll have to do some mental exercise now. Otherwise, same thing continues. How many births we want to come to learn a lesson? कितने करके आए हैं क्या पता, अभी ये तो मिला है, अभी तो ठीक करके जाए, कुछ तो करे, something better than what we were 10 years ago at least. It now means we have seen now so much of life. We are not the same as what we were in 20s or 30s. When we were in our mid 40s, we were different. We have gone. Now we have gone little beyond. Somewhere we should improve our mind, not our material world. छोटा घर था अभी बड़ा हो गया, छोटी कार थी बड़ी कार आई, एक कार थी अभी दो कार आई. Not that. Because कार घर हम इधर छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, लेके जा रहे हैं अपना मन. All the samskaras we are taking, mind is rejected, सूक्ष्म शरीर we are carrying it. कार नहीं लेके जाएंगे. So if we are strong ichha dvesha, we are creating more problem only, more moha. We are stuck. We are not reaching. We are not reaching our own destination. We are covering ourselves. And we are not going to see. This is a very, very beautiful verse, which is saying that actually we are not dying. We are carrying that same samskara. It's a carry forward. Some children understand very brilliantly at a very young age. Samskaras they have carried. Some children, even after their college also, they don't understand anything and they will hate you for bringing them in the satsang. And they will rebel away also from satsang. Samskaras were not there. Now only by seeing in this life, something may be happening by your actions. Then probably in some life it might change. Who knows? How much deep vasanas and how much ichha dvesha one person carries. And that is the reason for sammoha. More the ichha dvesha, more sammoha. Likes and dislikes some people carry, they make your life miserable and give. इससे नहीं बात करो, उससे नहीं बात करो, ये नहीं करो, वो नहीं करो. My God. They rule your life. make you so miserable. Very bad. Because these people are trapped and jailed in their own minds. It's a mental game. We'll have to cleanse. अपनी बाल्टी का पानी अपने को ही साफ रख. Then the reflection will happen. इच्छा द्वेष समुत्थेन द्वन्द्वमोहेन भारत सर्वभूतानि सम्मोहं सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप. Who's going to chant now? Sorry. Is it Arunji, your turn? Or
Sumita ji.
Sumita ji's? Okay. 28. येषां त्वन्तगतं पापम्
येषां त्वन्तगतं पापम्
जनानां पुण्यकर्मणाम्
जनानां पुण्यकर्मणां
ते द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ताः
ये द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ताः
भजन्ते मां दृढव्रताः.
भजन्ते मां दृढव्रताः.
Dha will have a dvitva because vra is a conjunct. Dridhavrataha.
दृढव्रताः तेषां त्वन्तगतं पापं जनानां पुण्यकर्मणां ते द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ताः भजन्ते मां दृढव्रताः.
Good. So, Padachet, Yeshantwantagatam, what happens?
So Twant Gatam is 2 plus Ant Gatam. It's a Yan Sandhi.
Yanasandhi. Va has happened. U plus Akara, Vakara, Yanasandhi. Gunasandhi is what?
Okay, Gun Sandhi is when you have a plus E, which makes, Maha plus Ishwash is Maheshwas. A plus U, which becomes O. A plus Ri, which become Ar. So these are Gun Sandhis.
Okay. No. So then, Tvantagatam finish. Papam jananam punyakarmanam as it is. Te dvandva moha nirmuktaha as it is. Bhajante man drudhavrataha. Everything as it is. Now let us see the meaning. Yesham, of what Shabdas, what vibhakti it could be.
Yeshan. Bahuvachan Shashti Napunsik link Yad.
Yes. So of whom Antagatam Papam. Papam has reached an end. Means who is freed from the sins. Of whose Janana. Of peoples whose sin have come to end. And of Punya Karmas. People Punya Karmanam Janana Papam Antagatam. People who have done Punyas. So Punya accrued people. Of those people, when the papas have come to an end, of those people, dvandva moha nirmuktaha. Nirmukta, free. Free from what? Moha, delusion. What kind of delusion? Dvandva. Like and dislike. Garam hai, thanda hai, acha hai, nahi hai, acha nahi lagta hai. Whatever. Mana, apamana, yasha, apayasha, shita, ushna, dvandvas. So this dvandva is the reason of the moha which we saw in the previous verse. So these people who have accrued punya, their papas get destroyed and their moha is destroyed. Dvandva moha, they become free from like and dislike. Such people, Mam Dridhavrataha Bhajante. They have very strong faith in me and they worship me with great faith. I wanted success very badly. And Bhagwan failed me. And Bhagwan didn't listen to my prayers. So now I don't talk to Bhagwan and I go to the temple and I stop worship. मेरे बेटे को उठा लिया. He didn't have mercy. My son was so brilliant and so beautiful. So now I don't talk to Bhagwan. मुझे ऐसा करा, मुझे वैसा करा. Who? Bhagwan is doing. So I don't talk to Bhagwan. I don't go to temple. I don't do the puja. This project, he didn't. He took away from me. Isn't he watching how hard I had worked for this and why he didn't give me this success? So where my like and intentions have been solidified and I'm focused, I've become very thankless, not thinking that whatever I did was by his grace. I'm not ready to give that to him because I'm gloating in my pride. I can't worship God because I'm having so much of mitti in my balti, mud in my lips. Reflection is not happening. But I'm getting clarity as I'm learning, and each step I'm acknowledging, Lord, my faith only increases. अरे भगवान की वजह से ये सब सारा हुआ. शायद ये मेरे लिए अच्छा नहीं था, इसलिए भगवान ने मुझे नहीं दिया. शायद अगर ये होता तो ये मेरे लिए आगे जाके परेशानी बनता, इसीलिए अभी से उठा लिया उसको. हो गया. You have conviction in Lord in so much that even if something bad is happening to you, you start seeing good into it, thanking the Lord. And such people, they can worship Lord better because the dvandva moha is not there. I am freed myself from like and dislike. When I'm over possessive of my son and daughter, I have problem. Over possessive of my house and car and job, I'm happy. My things, my this. When there is too much of ahanta and mamata, ahamta, ahankara, I, mamata, my. Like. Your son, whether anything happens, I may not feel. My son, something happens, I have a problem. My. I should be there. Problem. So such the reflection will not happen. गंदी बाल्टी में reflection नहीं होने वाला है. But if it is साफ सुथरा, reflection will automatically happen. These people will worship. Bhajante mam drudhavrataha. With steadfast conviction, I don't leave Lord. For that, I'll have to free and rise above my own likes and dislikes. My likes and dislikes are the cause of my fall. येषान्त्वन्तगतं पापं जनानां पुण्यकर्मणां ते द्वन्द्वमोहनिर्मुक्ताः भजन्ते मां दृढव्रताः. अरुण जी. जरा मरण मोक्षाय
जरा मरण मोक्षाय
मामाश्रित्य यतन्ति ये
मामाश्रित्य यतन्ति ये
ते ब्रह्म तद्विदुः कृत्स्नम्.
ते ब्रह्म तद्विदु कृत्स्नम्.
विदुः कृत्स्नम्.
ते ब्रह्म तद्विदु कृत्स्नम्.
Viduh Krishna. Not to say viduhu. Viduh. Lift it and drop it. Viduh Kritsnam.
ते ब्रह्म तद्विदु कृत्स्नम्.
Correct. Adhyatmam karma chakhilam.
अध्यात्मं कर्म चाखिलम्. जरा मरण मोक्षाय मामाश्रित्य यतन्ति ये ते ब्रह्म तद्विदुः कृत्स्नम्. अध्यात्मं कर्म चाखिलम्.
Now what are the sandhis? Jara marana mokshaya. As it is. Mam plus ashritya. Yatanti ye. Te brahma tad viduhu कृत्स्नम अध्यात्मम कर्म च Akhilam, Savarna Dirgha. And
So,
somewhere
yeah,
Swara.
Chakalam is Swaram Dirgha and Tadvida.
Tat Viduhu.
Tat plus Vidu just Shatu.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now, Jara Marana Mokshaya. Mokshaya. Devaya. What vibhakti?
Mokshaya Devaya. 1 minute, ma'am, if I'll note it down. So Deva, you said, ma'am.
Devaya.
Devaya. Deva. Okay. So this is Devaya.
Prathama. Devaya. Chaturthi Prathama.
Chaturthi. Oh, yes, Chaturthi Prathama. I got it now.
Right. So we should remember, at least Deva Shabda we should remember. We should not struggle, take so long to guess the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Devaya, for Mokshaya, for Moksha. For Moksha, of Moksha means liberation. For Moksha. For. Liberation from what? Jara, Marana, old age, Marana, death. Mam Ashritya, taking refuge into me. Yanti, they strive. Who? Ye, they, those, Brahma Tadviduhu, those who know. Kritsnam, the whole thing. Adhyatma, the knowledge of the self. Karma, and the actions. Akhilam, all the actions. The one who takes refuge in me, they free themselves from the cycle of birth and the death because they realize my full nature, that whole knowledge of the self and all the actions, they realize that. That's why so liberation is not something that you get after death. It is now. Free from dvandvas is a liberation. Freeing from likes and dislike is it. Other day we were seeing Eknathi Bhagavad. And there the definition of fear, fearlessness, where dvandva bhav has disappeared, there fearlessness can. No two bhavas are there. This is me, this is you. When I have two duality in my mind, I have fear, whether you will rob me, whether you will harm me. But if I have a oneness vision, everything मैं ही सब कुछ हूं, तो मुझे डर किस बात का? So when I have oneness vision, I become fearless. And when I have a limited vision, the world of plurality, then I have fear. So over here, like that, a person becomes fearless when the mind is free from dvandvas. Jara marana mokshaya mamashritya yatanti ye te brahma tadviduh kritsnam adhyatmam karma chakhilam. Just rushing because we have exceeded time and we should complete the chapter. So taking ahead. Sumatiji, the last verse. साधिभूताधिदैवं माम्
साधिभूताधिदैवं माम्
साधियज्ञं च ये विदुः
साधियज्ञं च ये विदुः
प्रयाणकालेऽपि च माम्
प्रयाणकालेऽपि च माम्
ते विदुर्युक्तचेतसः
ते विदुर्युक्तचेतसः साधिभूताधिदैवं माम् साधियज्ञ च ये विदुः प्रयाणकालेऽपि च माम् ते विदुर्युक्तचेतसः.
साधिभूताधिदैवम् all as it is. Sadhi mam as it is. Sadhi yajnam as it is. Cha ye viduhu as it is. Prayana kalepi. Prayana kale plus api. There is no visarga. It's purvaru. Prayana kale plus api. Cha mam te viduhu. Visargas repha. Yukta chetasaha. We'll see padartha. Sadhi bhutadhi daivam. Sadhi with sa plus adhibhuta. Adhibhuta. Adhidaivam with adhidaivam. So adhibhuta, adhidaiva together. Mam to me. Sadhi yajnam with adhiyajna. Ye who viduhu knows. Prayana kale at the time of the death. Api mam te viduhu yukta chetasa. They will know me. Yukta chetasaha when mind is fixed. So what is this sadhi? Sa is adhibhuta. Adhibhuta is this Panchamahabhautik world. Pertaining to all the worldly objects. Sadhibhuta. Sadhi daiva. Daiva. Pertaining all to the devas, sense organs. Pertaining to the gods. Sadhi yajna. Adhiyajna. All the yajnas, pertaining all the actions, sacrifices, all perceptions. So those who are knowing me with this adhibhautik knowledge, adhidaivika knowledge, yajna knowledge, prayana kale api, also at the time, even at the time of that death, yukta chetasaha, keeping the mind status steadfast, mam viduhu, they know me. So means what? What is all this? So this is the seed for the next chapter. So that time then Arjuna the next chapter will start with the question, O Bhagwan, kim tat brahma, kim adhyatmam, what is adhyatma, what is adhibhuta, what is adhiyajna, what is all this, what are you talking now? Suddenly you have thrown new words on me like this. What does this all mean? And then this Akshara Brahma Yoga will start. Then how it is leading to Akshara Brahma, that highest truth it will go. Now itself this is a Jnana Vijnana. So much has been cleared. But this verse is the seed for the next chapter. And the terminologies, the meaning of these terminologies will be the answer in the 8th chapter, which we'll see next Wednesday itself, not very far. So please revise this chapter and come. This chapter 7, where we have seen 1 to 3 verses. They are giving introduction to this chapter, Jnana Vijnana. 1 to 3 verses. Intro. Then 4 to 7, it is telling the nature of God. Ishvara Swarupa has been discussed. 4 to 7. Then 8 to 12, what can I find? Where can I find God? God is in that creation. That is described. 8 to 12. 13 and 14, what is bondage? What is liberation? That is discussed. 15 to 19, different types of bhaktas are discussed. Artha and all. We have seen Artha, Jnani. Then 28 to 23, reaching God through those presiding deities. That has been said. Then 24, that means today we have these. 24 to 26, understanding God in the right way. 24 to 26. 27 and 28 was the conclusion, which we saw now how it was concluded. How Dvandva Muktaha, who is worshipping Lord. And this 29th and 30th, they have become the seed for the next chapter. So this would be the summary for our chapter 7. And we should revise it in this format. Please revise it. Visit our class again when I'll upload it if you have missed any of the point. And see it in this light, this chapter 7, so that when we move on the chapter 8, it will become very easy. Okay. So with this, let us end because daily Gita has to start in next 3 minutes. Please join and chant at least on today's day when it is a Gita day, 3rd, 4th and 5th chapter. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you very much.
Hari Om
See you all
ji.
next
Hari
week
Om.
for chapter.
Hari Om Ji.
Hari Om,
Yes.
Vasanti ji. Thank you. Hari Om.
Thank you.
Hari
Hari
Om.
Om ji.
Hari Om.